Hey my friends, welcome to the challenge of September 2024, Strong Bones Challenge, push-ups. So I'll be honest, I haven't been practicing push-ups for a while. So to make this video for you, I just did a set of modified push-ups. Whew, that was hard. So I'm gonna try and do 10 more for you, with you. If you're in the same place as me where you haven't been doing this lately, you're going to find even doing 2, 3, or 4 pretty hard. That's okay. You can start there, and then every day this month you'll get stronger. So if you can do more or do a full from the plank push-up, that's your challenge. And if this is too much, we're going to finish this set and then go down to the kitchen and do some counter push-ups, which all of us can generally do, right? So let's do this. Modified version from my knees. I'll be placing my hands firmly down, right, slightly wider than my shoulder width. And then from knees, I want to keep my torso straight. So not butt up here. That's one way to do it, but that's not the version that I'm going to work. I'm going to do this one, which is going to prepare for the full version, right? This is the full version. So keeping the spine in the straight position, shoulders away from ears, neck and jaw and face relaxed, and down we go for as many as I can do. So 10, 9, 8, 7, this is getting hard, my friends, 6, 5, I think that's going to be it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so you did what you could do, and I had already done 10, so I was already tired. All right, let's go down to the kitchen and do some counter push-ups now. Counter push-ups. So in the variation I'm going to do right now, pretty standard, I'm going to step about a step or step and a half away from the counter. I'm going to place my hands about shoulder width or slightly wider. This is actually the exact width of my sink, so that must be a standard position. And then holding onto the counter, finding integrity with my spine muscles, my core muscles, keeping the torso straight, I'll simply push, lean forward and push away for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, don't forget to breathe, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Remember, doing different variations can strengthen different parts of your anatomy, so you might want to separate your hands sometimes wider and be even further away from the counter. See how that feels? And you can also, of course, progress to doing push-ups on a bench and then join us on the mat with your knees on the mat, and then maybe we can join Tina and do a full push-up before the end of September. So you do you, be safe, and have a great day. If you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, I invite you to join. We are a group of women who support each other to do bone strengthening exercises every day, and there's a link beneath this video where you can request to join. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, that's where you are right now, at my Forever Yoga with Susanna YouTube channel. I've got lots of yoga videos that are safe to do if you have osteoporosis or osteopenia. So that's it. You can subscribe to my channel, and everybody give this little video a thumbs up. I appreciate that, and I'll see you on Facebook. Have a great day.